This AI Instagram model tricks thousands of unsuspecting men into thinking it's real. The crazy part is that it makes over $11,000 a month doing it. Let's find out how, so you can do it too. Meet Altana Lopez, an AI Instagram model created by the clueless AI agency. She has been in the news recently due to her incredible beauty and her army of 264,000 followers amassed over a few short months. She has become a rising influencer in the Instagram modeling space and has monetized her attention every step of the way. But she is not real. So how has she generated so much money? Altana sells, shall we say, less PG photos on FanView, a site similar to OnlyFans. As well as this, Altana sells ads in the form of posts on her Instagram page, some of which she has earned $5,000 for. That's pretty crazy, right? What if I told you that you could do it too? Let me show you how. It's really simple to create these photos. First things first, you need to head over to midjourney.com and sign up. Their basic plan is $10 a month, which is a steal. Let me show you how powerful this AI is, and why it's worth the investment. Once you've signed up, click Join the Beta, and it will take you over to Discord. Please leave a comment below if you need help with installing Discord, I would be happy to help. Midjourney uses Discord as its platform, so it's necessary to install. Once you're in, simply create your own server. Select For Me and My Friends, and name it whatever you would like. Now that you have your own server, simply head back to Midjourney server and find the Midjourney bot. This should be on the left-hand side of your screen. Select the Add App button, select your new server and click Authorize. This will add Midjourney to your new server so that we can start to create our new AI model. Back in your server, it might help to create a new channel. I named mine AI model, very creative I know. But you can name yours whatever you like. Once you've set that up, we can begin to start generating images with Midjourney. Congratulations for getting this far. To start a new prompt, simply type \imagine in the message box and hit enter. Now you are in prompt mode and you can begin to craft your new AI model. For simplicity, I chose to use a basic prompt, but you can go into extreme detail to create variations of my creation. I recommend watching some videos on Midjourney prompting to learn more about this. But even with basic prompts, we can create stunning photos. A tip for your first try would be to use a camera reference like Kodak Gold 400 to ensure your generation is realistic. After you have crafted your prompt, hit enter and Midjourney will start to generate your new image. This shouldn't take more than a few minutes. As you can see, Midjourney begins to create 4 image variations for you to choose from. You can select the buttons generated below the image to prompt Midjourney to create individual generations for your images. And just like that, we have created a new AI model. We can now use this base image for future iterations of your model. The hard bit is done, but now we have to create an Instagram page to show off our stunning new model. But what should we call her? We can head to ChatGPT for help with that. Now we are in ChatGPT, we can generate some names for our new AI model. A simple prompt will create some great names for us. You can add more detail to create specific names, such as Asian or American, but I chose to make it simple. If you need a full video demonstration of how to use ChatGPT, let me know in the comments and I will be glad to create one for you. After a few seconds, ChatGPT has given us some great names. I personally like the name Mia Zhang, so we will go with that for our new model. Welcome to the world, Mia. And there you have it. We have created a new AI model. To further this experiment, we could create an Instagram page and begin to consistently upload photos. If you are going to do this, I would recommend using ChatGPT to generate captions and hashtags for each post to drive engagement. If you wanted to grow your new model's page quicker, you could run some ads and connect affiliate offers to your posts to begin creating income for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and would like me to create a follow-up that goes into further depth about the capabilities of Midjourney and generative AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.